Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix slow loading in Roblox. If your Roblox is loading slowly, here's a quick fix guide. Since Roblox doesn't have a built-in video settings, the optimizations must be done outside the game. First, open your Start menu, search for Power Plan, then select Edit Power Plan, click Change Advanced Power Settings, scroll to Processor Power Management, set the maximum processor state to 100%, hit apply. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager and close unnecessary apps like Steam. To free up resources, then make sure your graphic drivers are up to date, search for NVIDIA Update, or go to the official GeForce drivers site to download the update tool. You can also manually update drivers if you prefer. Finally, if performance is still sluggish, consider having your PC clean internally to remove dust buildup, which can cause overheating. These steps can make Roblox run smoother without spending on a new computer. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.